You're welcome back once again into my lifestyle kitchen. My name is Mary. I'm so excited because we are making one of the delicious meal from Nigeria called atama soup. This particular soup is usually eaten during wedding ceremony, New Yam festival, and any other big occasion. It is a special meal. And without wasting much time, please let's get into the kitchen and get cooking. Just to save time, I've already gotten my meat and I've boiled them nicely. So we have the cow meat, we have the chicken, we have the shaki and all the intestine. We also have uyayak. Uyayak is a very nice aroma that without uyayak, your tama soup is not complete. So uyayak will give you this nice aroma. Then we have the stockfish boiled as well. And I got this dry fish from African shop. It's really lovely. Then we have the atama, the dry one. And we also have knorr cubes. I'll be using the dry atama today, but you can use fresh one. It's optional. The fresh atama is also very nice and fresh, but you have to wash it because it has a little bit of bitterness, so you have to wash it. So we have cloves, and then we have grain of salim. Then we have the crayfish, and we have black pepper. So you can also get all these ingredients in your local store like the Indian shop or African shop. So I have here the canned palm fruit paste. This one is what we will be using today to make our atama soup. The soup is going to taste equally very lovely. So I'm going to blend all the dry ingredients together. And I must warn you that each of them are very spicy. You don't want to end up with so hot food that you cannot enjoy your meal. Now I'm going to add a little bit of uziza to it as well. So I'm going to add the knorr cube to the soup now. But as you can see, I've already added crayfish behind the camera. I didn't know the camera was off. So I'm going to add the paste to it. And I'll also add the meat stock and stir it. If it's light, then I'll add the second one. Otherwise, I'm going to just leave it like that. So it's not looking thick as I would love to. So I'm going to add the second one to the soup, and hopefully it's going to give me the thickness that I'm looking for. Oh, this soup is looking so yummy. I love it. And I've added my atama as well. I'm using the dry one. So one thing I must tell you is that you don't stir it immediately. You wait for it to boil for a while before you stir it. Otherwise it's going to get bitter. So I've added the uziza now. I'm adding the uziza now. As you can see, oh, the aroma, I can't even wait to dive in. It's so yum. Look at it, looking good. And this is the dry fish. I have to crush it because I don't like it so chunky. I'm going to be adding the uyayak. The aroma and the flavor is so out of this world. The whole house will be smelling uyayak. I tell you, it's so yum. It's looking good. I'm adding a little bit of spinach to it for that grain. You have to have some grain to your soup. And then the big one is the stockfish that I cooked. This is really yum. I don't want it to scatter. I'm being very careful here. I don't want it to scatter. Then I'm adding this taslim to it for more flavor to my soup. Wow, this is yum. This is yum. It's looking so good. I hope you will try it at home. Please don't just watch. Cook it for your family. This is African food. We must embrace it. We must love what we have. This is lovely. The soup is now ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and I'll see you at the dining. I'm going to be serving this soup with poundo. It's looking so yum already. It's looking fantastic. The aroma is so out of this world. The uyayak, oh, you can't go wrong. This is perfect soup. If you love my tutorial, please do give me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Then don't forget to subscribe. Bye.